Do you have a child who would love to be transformed into a fairy or a mermaid or a warrior? If so, Enchanted Fairies in Plano, Texas is the place you have to go. It is so beautiful. And as soon as you walk inside their store, you are really enveloped in such a whimsical, fun, magical atmosphere. They have thought of everything to make sure that you are comfortable. They even have a theater for you to go watch movies in while you're waiting for your session to begin. They have made sure that everyone in the family will be really comfortable. The first thing you're going to do when you get there is check in at the desk. And this is where you're going to either make an appointment to come back for a session or check in for a session that you've already made an appointment for. You can do that online or by calling them or by stopping in. Next, you're going to pick out what kind of a theme you want. And you can do a mermaid or a fairy or a warrior. And if you're not sure, they have some beautiful books that they've made for clients that show all the different options, different colors. Speaking of colors, once you've decided on the character that you're going to be transformed into, you're going to pick out the color you'd like your ensemble to be. They have beautiful dresses. The skirts match the bodices. You can wear a tiara. They really have thought of everything. And you have your own private dressing room area where you will go ahead and get into your magical garb. And then you will get ready to get glammed up. And they have done this so beautifully. Kids just feel like a celebrity in these chairs. They do beautiful romantic soft curls, soft makeup, lots of glitter, lots of fairy dust. In fact, you can see this little girl is reaching into the air because it's kind of hanging in the air, the fairy dust. And then once you've gotten all glammed up, this is a great time for mom and dad to take a photo before the session starts. At that point, you can't take any more photos. So you can really take some cute photos. And once you're done, you're gonna go and pick your wings, get any last minute accessories, and step onto their sets, which are so beautiful. And what's really neat is they actually changed the backgrounds on the sets digitally so that your children aren't kind of waiting for them to move things around. It's happening behind them digitally. They have props that light up. They are so adept at working with kids and really getting them to laugh and have a good time. This isn't a tense kind of a photo shoot. This is an experience that's like a lot of fun for everyone. And by the way, it is for everyone. It is not just for little girls. Little boys can 100% come to Enchant Fairies and have an equally marvelous time. In fact, in 2019, they are going to have a pirate ship set that boys or girls could take pictures on, which is going to be so fun. Another option I was saying was Mermaid. These tails are gorgeous. The sets are beautiful. You can pick out a different color mermaid tail. You can pick out different backgrounds, different accessories, necklaces. So you can really make these characters your own. In fact, during the holidays, I can't think of a better picture for holiday Christmas cards than a holiday fairy. Isn't this beautiful? And they will move things around to suit your child. So they'll make sure that it's the kind of picture that you are looking to take home. Speaking of, the last step in the process is to come back, view your beautiful pictures. All kinds of pretty effects will have been added. And then you get to take home a piece of your beautiful experience at Enchanted Fairies. It truly could not be a more magical experience. And I know you will love it.